at the core of our deliberations was this: supporting the creative industries is supporting Filipino talents and their livelihoods. This sector includes not only the visual arts, but also an entire range of creative activity, including traditional culture expressions, audiovisual media, music, and even publishing and printing. Among other things, the museum will now become the vehicle and the venue to promote the creative arts in the industries, as an example, in architecture. Last year, the museum housed the first ever architectural exhibit that collected works from very prominent architects from all over the Philippines that showcased unbuilt works of architects in the Philippines. This is one example of the new direction of the museum, and what is interesting is that this particular exhibit had about 7,000 students visit the museum itself. As part of the exhibition, one of the nicest things that was a result of this particular exhibit was a comment from someone from media, and said that given the breadth and talent of Filipino architects that we saw all together in this particular space, it is a wonder why other companies hire foreign architects. What was interesting was that this is the first time that all unbuilt works, which actually represent the genius of creativity, was put together in a particular space. So as part of that, the creative industry also accounts for about 7.6% of the national GDP. In 2025, 2.12 trillion pesos was part of that contribution. And it is a sector that continues to grow, and alongside with your help, with social media and the power of social media, we hope that we will be able to change and interact with culture and the communities of culture with artists from all over the country. And together, we can build an audience that the museum supports and whose creators will in turn help the national economy. After working with creatives in the last 20 years, the museum is keenly aware of their practical needs to sustain their entrepreneurial endeavors. With this redirection, we aim to address these challenges. We plan and hope to support the creators that shape local culture and arts so that they continue to create, inspire, and innovate. And we will be carrying out this commitment by expanding the museum beyond typical exhibitions and functions to include, as Jenny mentioned, the Y Space and the Y Shop, which I think will be explained later on. By branching out, we can